This syringe is used to prevent 4 catheters from getting blocked and to remove any leftover medication at the catheter site. It is important to use this syringe as directed by your healthcare provider to ensure the best results. This syringe can be used daily, and the optimal timing for use will depend on your specific medical needs. Be sure to follow your healthcare provider's instructions for the correct dosage and timing for your situation. When using the BD Posiflush normal saline injection syringe, it is important to follow your doctor's instructions for injecting it into the 4 catheter. If you are administering this product at home, make sure to learn how to prepare and use it properly from your healthcare professional. Before using the syringe, visually inspect the liquid for any particles or discoloration. If you notice either of these, do not use the product. It is also important to learn how to safely store and dispose of medical supplies. Be sure to use this medication regularly in order to receive the maximum benefits. To help you remember, use it at the same times each day. Keep an eye out for any signs of infection near the catheter site, such as tenderness, pain, swelling, redness, or warmth, and inform your doctor if you experience any of these symptoms. If you experience mild irritation at the injection site, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. This medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor believes that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to seek medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA, and if you're in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before using the BD Posiflush normal saline injection syringe, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's essential to discuss any concerns with your pharmacist. It's also important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. The BD Posiflush normal saline injection syringe is considered safe to use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns about using this medication during these times. Remember to follow your healthcare provider's instructions for the proper daily dosage and timing for using this medication. When using the BD Posiflush normal saline injection syringe, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of the BD Posiflush normal saline injection syringe. If you or someone else has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. This medication is for single use only and should not be shared with others. It is important to use a new syringe for each injection to avoid any risk of contamination or infection. Make sure to take each dose of the BD Posiflush normal saline injection syringe on time. If you happen to miss a dose, consult your doctor or pharmacist immediately to determine a new dosing schedule. You should store this product at room temperature and avoid freezing it. Also, remember not to store it in the bathroom. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this product down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When it is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard this product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.